Let's take a look at the software we're going to be using with your IE30 desktop printer. This is RIIN, the image editing software that we recommend. It allows you to put a spot colour on and import the images you wish to print. Let's start. In RIIN, click the RIIN icon on the top left hand corner and then select Canvas Settings. In here we can change the width and the height of our canvas that we're going to use. Keep the width the same, and you can alter the height to any length you wish. If you've got a metre long canvas, change this to 100 centimetres, but you could go as long as you wish. In our example, we'll be setting this to 50 centimetres. Click OK when you're ready with the file size. This will give you a full canvas to work with. We can now import our image into this canvas. Click the import icon across the top and you'll be presented with your computer directory. Select the image you wish to use, and then you will be asked whether you want to keep it at the original size or change this to a custom height and width. When you have your desired size, click OK, and the image will show up on your gang sheet. We're now free to move this image around and place it wherever we would like. Now, should your image not be at the desired size, you can click the small black bounding box and drag your mouse to resize the image. I'm now going to move this over to the top left hand corner and import another image. You can use any image you would like. I'm just going to put in another one of these circle head icons. Now we have two of the images and we can move these around to anywhere we would like. Now another way to get another one of these images is to copy it and paste it using the icons at the top. This is an easy way to add multiple of the same image into the same gang sheet. Now let's say we wish to align these images. Hold Ctrl and click each one, and then in the toolbar at the bottom select Horizontal Centering. Now if we want to just select one of these images, click it, and then we can select Horizontal Centering again to move this into place. Once all the images are where we want on the gang sheet, we then need to put a spot colour onto it. We click Spot Colour at the top here, and you'll bring up the Spot Colour menu. Ensure the first line tick box is enabled and the name says Spot 1. In the drop down menu, we want to select Empty Image Base. We'll apply white to all of our images. We can leave the next section blank and leave percentage as it is. The next thing we want to edit is Shrink. This chokes back the white that's applied to the back of your image and stops it from overhanging. This ensures no unsightly white marks around your design. We set ours to -0.15. Once done, click Application and that will have put white across all of your image. We're now ready to print. Click Print, and here we'll be offered a resolution. It will be set to our recommended setting, but you can change this to a 1440p setting, which allows for a more vibrant colour. Play around with this and see which suits your image best. Here I'm going to stick to our recommended setting. Next we need to ensure vertical mirror is ticked and that forward output is ticked too. With that done, we can now select Print. You can then choose where to save your print. We recommend using a desktop folder called Work. This makes it easy to identify where all of your saved prints will be. Choose a file name that makes it easy to identify your work, and then click Save. Your print will then move to the Task Manager. Once we see that the percentage bar at the top here has completed, it means our file is ready to print in the Better Print software.